Jacqueline from Homeworks Etc. We are here today working on our Canada Day decor, which I'm super excited to share with you that we are collaborating with Strong and Free Canada. And so you'll notice the pillow that we're going to be working on is Strong and Free with the 1867 date on there for front entrance decor. And happy to say that when you purchase your stencil or any of the material for these projects, then 10% is going to be going to Veterans Canada. So I'm really pleased with that. But I want to show you today how to stencil on pillows. So our first project is going to be the pillow, and I'm just going to rub on the top of the stencil just to make sure all the centers are adhered to the top transfer paper. Then I'm going to flip over the stencil and peel the backing